So do you know that I didn't have measuring cups or spoons for like the first 4 years that I lived here?
Is that right?
And I was just like, I'll eyeball it. But you know what? I'm not that much of a baker, so I got away with it.
Okay.
When you're baking, though, it is like a mathematical science. You have
really
to be
is.
precise.
Yeah.
I could get away with it with my sauces if I tried to bake anything. Not gonna happen.
Something you're completely comfortable with, you can get away with, right?
If you have some already, maybe it's time for a refresh. Like the ones I had before, they just didn't make the move over with me from California.
They didn't.
Yeah. So but the ones I had before, I'd had for like well over a decade, and they were boring. These are beautiful.
Yes.
These are functional. That's a classic 10-piece measuring cup and spoon set on that free shipping and handling. And 5 easy pays of $4.40 that goes away at the end of the day tomorrow. It's K77758. Now we do have 12 colors. Jonathan, do you want to do these on .com or do them here? Okay, we're gonna do them on .com. Let's take a look. All right, here is your, is that black? There's black, blue, buffetti, green, gray, red, harvest, poinsettia, Pawfetti. Oh, there's Pawfetti there too.
You better get shopping.
Doodle-doo in the red. And finally, we have it in Winter Whimsy as well. Oh my gosh, Pawfetti, measuring cups and spoons.
Isn't that
all right,
so much fun?
Are you laying out what all the sizes are?
Yeah, for sure. So I just want to show you. They come on 2 rings, but I'm literally taking them off because I take mine off. On the rings. So you can leave them together if you want. I don't have anywhere like to hang them or anything. So I love the fact that, look at this. First of all, that you're getting that silicone grip on the bottom of both, right? So really nice. So everything from a tablespoon all the way down to, I'm sorry, what is this? I can't even see it. Julia, I need your eyes. 1/4 teaspoon?
1/4 teaspoon.
1/4 teaspoon. So all the sizes that you need. You know what I love about getting all these sizes? You don't have to rewash. Because you know a lot of times you're like, oh, I got to wash that again.
Oh, yeah.
Because I need it again.
Oh, yeah.
And then all the way down from 1/3 of a cup,
That's
a 1/4
1/8 of a cup.
1/8 of a cup. I don't have my glasses on, and I need readers.
That's all right. So we got 1 cup, 1/2 cup, 1/3 cup, 1/4 cup, 1/8 cup. And on the spoons, I got a tablespoon, a 1/2 tablespoon, a teaspoon, a 1/2 teaspoon, and a 1/4 teaspoon.
Thank you, Julia.
I got you.
Thank you. And then I love this because look at this. You get this padded silicone grip right here.
Yeah.
Look at that. So it's really easy to hold. And a lot of times your hands are wet when you're baking, so it doesn't slip. But when you want to stack them away, if you don't want to use the ring, here's my point. You can just go like this and just tuck them away. So
I love how these feel.
Aren't they so nice?
Yeah,
it's like
really
memory foam.
Yes,
for
exactly. It's a little squishy,
isn't it?
It's kind of enjoyable.
It's fantastic. But here's what I love about it. We all need to measure stuff, right?
Yeah.
I mean, like you said, for baking, and baking season is here. This is one of those essential pieces for the kitchen. But where else can you go other than QVC to find measuring cups and spoon that match your dinnerware, that match your bakeware, that match literally everything you need? And then look at this. It's all just about having the right sizes, the right everything in the kitchen when it comes to this.
What are you making up there?
I'm making a little bit of a bread over here.
Oh.
How do you like this? So I'm just kind of slowly kneading everything in.
Okay.
And then when we want to go over here, you know who taught me this was honestly Mark Charles.
Okay.
About when you want to make the same size cookies, right? You take a little measuring cup and you just kind of slide. Look at that. You slide it up the side. Look at that. And that's how you create. All right. The same size cookie every time, and you just push that all, go all the way along.
Just do it. Repeat.
Just repeat, exactly. And then making homemade salad dressings, things like that.
I do love that.
Do you make them?
I do sometimes.
Tell me, what do you make?
I just do a classic little olive oil, a little red wine vinegar,
kind of whatever
some
you have.
shallots, stuff like that. And you can just sort of like raid your spice cabinet.
Yes, I love that. But here's the thing. These are those great everyday sizes that we all need. But instead of having that, whoops.
Oh, I got
you. You know how you might have that pitcher that has the red lines on it, that one?
Yeah.
You remember that thing, right?
Yes, I do.
Instead of that, now you can have really pretty ones, and they even get down into jars. And I have that tablespoon here, but it still gives me the ability to level off, which I love. So isn't that just amazing? Seriously.
That smells really delicious. Oh yeah, you got to put a little mustard in that, right?
Yep, mustard, and oh my gosh, look at the garlic. Red onion. Did you ever put red onion?
Yeah, I love red onion.
You do?
I swear I'm one of those people who could like eat red onion like an apple.
I
I love it so much. I don't. Nobody be alarmed.
Okay.
I don't do it.
We may want to see that. We need video evidence.
Really want to see that?
That you actually do that. But again, listen, here's the thing. Everybody needs measuring cups and measuring spoons, right? At a sale price and free shipping. Like today's
that up for you?
Yeah, will you?
Yeah, of course I will.
Thank you, my friend.
There we go. Do we want a little mustard in there?
Sure, please.
Okay, hold on. I got you.
Here, I'll hold this for you.
Oh!
Okay, we're not allowed to cook together.
Okay, we're not.
Oh boy. Clean up in aisle 12.
Okay, we're going to skip the mustard.
We're going to skip.
Hey, Joe.
Oh, wait, hold on. I got to get you a towel. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
He's getting me one. He's getting me one. Look, I love Dijon mustard. Don't get me wrong. Wow, that thing really exploded at me.
Oh, wait, here they are. Oh,
all right,
here they are.
Oh, we do that. Oh, thanks. Let's do some colors.
Let's do colors.
All right, here we go. Remember, this is a 10-piece set. Spoons and cups. Here's your black. We have blue. We have buffetti. Green. Gray. Red. Harvest. Here's your poinsettia. Puffetti. Gnome. Doodle Doo, red. And finally, we have it in Winter Whimsy as well. You're getting 10 pieces for $21.98, made in that really great is it steel? Is it stainless steel?
Yeah,
Is
it's
it metal?
stainless
steel. You get this, sorry for that mess, I'll just whisk over here. You get all the measurements
gonna whisk
you could
away.
possibly need
Look
to
at that.
really like take over in the kitchen and get it right every single time.
Wait, you know what would be such a cute gift? The
What?
gloves and this together. Put them in a stocking.
Really cute.
Or give them with a cookbook or
I was gonna say
something.
a stocking stuffer. You
Wouldn't
could
that be
even
sweet?
stuff these in the gloves.
Stuff those.
Right?
Oh, that's.
Stuff them in the gloves.
We're gonna find gloves and do that because that's actually
Okay,
really
I'll find
cute.
it. Okay, it's K777758. It ships for free. Newlyweds, first homeowners, maybe college students who are getting their very first, careful, that has mustard all over it, very first apartment
Yeah, it
ever. It sure does. This is a great, fun piece to bring home. Oh, dear. I mean, we're in the 4th hour here. Get a little
Yeah,
slap
I know,
happy.
right?
Shooting mustard all over the place. All right. I feel like everybody waits for this every year.